on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making Rotel bow tie pasta with ground beef. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 12-ounce box of bow tie pasta, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of beef broth, 1 small onion diced, 1 10-ounce can of Rotel, and you don't want to drain it, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of grated parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and also 1 tablespoon of olive oil. In a pot of salted boiling water, we're going to add in our bow tie pasta, and we're going to let it cook according to the instructions on the box 12 to 14 minutes until al dente. Now to a large heated skillet over medium heat, we're going to add in our olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now you can add in your onions. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. Now we're going to add in our ground beef. We're going to break it down and make sure it's mixed well with our onions. Now you want to let your ground beef continue to cook until it's brown all the way through. Now we're going to add in our tablespoon of minced garlic. We're going to mix that until it's well combined. You want to allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Once your ground beef is brown all the way through, you want to go ahead and drain all excess grease. Now we're going to add in our Rotel. We're also going to add in our heavy cream, our beef broth, our onion powder, garlic powder, and our black pepper. Now we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Now guys, you can go ahead and taste it. If you need to adjust your seasoning, you can do it now. And we're just going to go ahead and bring it up to a simmer. We're going to let it simmer for a few minutes until it thickens up. Once your pasta is done, you can go ahead and drain it and set it to the side. You can now turn off the heat once your sauce has thickened. Now we're going to add in our grated Parmesan cheese and also our shredded cheddar cheese. You want to go ahead and mix it until it melts and it's nice and smooth. Once your cheese has melted, it's time to add in the bow tie pasta. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, look how yummy that looks. Okay guys, if you would like, you can go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes over top just to add a little color. That's optional. And here we have it, our Rotel bow tie pasta with ground beef. This is another budget-friendly meal and your whole family will enjoy it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Y'all hungry yet?